everybody, welcome to ibex Running. I will be your coach today. My name is Rachel. What we have today is a 15-minute HIIT progressive workout. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 1 minute and then a 1 minute run and a 30-second recovery, non-stop till the end. But when we get to the end, 4 minutes all out. We're gonna progressively get faster. We're gonna push ourselves super hard into the end. So if you're ready, let's get started in 3, 2, 1. Let's take it up to a 2.5 to a 4. We have 1 minute here. We're just warming up, just walking, just getting the legs to move, just getting the blood flowing. There we go. And then after this, we're gonna take it up just a little bit, just into a nice soft jog for another minute. We go right into that pace. So our running pace is, we're going to go from a 7 to a 9. Our recovery pace is gonna be from a 5 to a 7. Non-stop, you got this. Ready? 30 more seconds, soft jog. Really quick, just check your form. Roll the shoulders down and back. Nice, good deep inhale. Nice, good deep exhale. Let all that stress go. This is your time. It's only a 15-minute workout. Easy peasy. Here we go. Picking it up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pick it up 5.0 to 7.0. Nice soft jog. Give me 1 minute here. Then we go right into our first push, 7.0 to 9.0. So I want you to get it. The first one's gonna be the hardest because maybe our body's not warm. Maybe our mind isn't ready. After we do that though, we can do anything we put our mind to. Give me 40 more seconds here. Good. Again, check your form. So you want your ankles under your hips, your hips under your shoulders. Soft little pumps with the arms, elbows in tight. Good. 15 seconds. Again, our push pace, 7.0 to 9.0. Here we go. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. It's only 1 minute. 3, 2, 1. Pick it up. Let's go. Pick it up. Come on. Easy. We got this, right? Maybe pick it up a little bit more. Start running. We have a 30-second recovery coming your way. 45 seconds. Keep pushing. Squeeze that core nice and tight. Good. And I always smile when I work out because I enjoy it. Try to smile. Changes your attitude. It doesn't make it a work. It just makes it fun. Last 30. Let's go. Let's go. We're taking it down. 5.0, 7.0, 30-second recovery. Remember, 30 seconds isn't that long. So enjoy what you have. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Jog it out. Breathe. Easy, right? Told you the first one's gonna be the hardest. The rest of them, walk in the park. 50 more seconds. I'm sorry, 15 more seconds. We take it right back up. Who's ready? 7.0, 9.0. Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Pump it hard. Get those legs up. Knees high. Keep running. Push, push. Good. 15 seconds down. Only 45 to go. Start building up that speed. Awesome job, guys. We're almost. Here we go. 30 seconds left. We go harder here. Push. Woo. Now we're working. We got 20 seconds left. That's it. Then you recover. Last 15. Here we go. 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, recover. 5.0, 7.0. 30 seconds. We're not stopping till the end though. Keep working. Keep breathing. This is it. Now we're fully warmed up. Whatever it was before your push pace, take it up 2 or 3 notches on that speed. You got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, let's go. Pump it. Woo! So much fun. I know you guys are having fun at home. Keep working, guys. 45 seconds. Again, you get that 30-second recovery in 30 more seconds. Keep pushing though. It's a mental thing when you say you want to give up, not a body thing. Your body is way more capable than you give it credit for. So don't let that little voice in your head start putting in doubts. You tell that voice, be quiet. Not here, not today, not on my tread workout. Back to our recovery. 3, 2, 1. 30 seconds. You guys are killing it. Can we go a little faster though? I know you can. Good. 10 seconds. Remember what you're working for right here, right now. What are you running for? Think about it. The next minute. 7.0, 9.0, 3, 2, let's go. Push harder. Go faster. Breathe deeper. Let's run. Good. Keep it going, keep it going. See, as they're getting easier almost. As your body starts to get warm and loose, the running becomes more natural. 30 more seconds. We go back down to our recovery pace. 5.0, 7.0. $15 seconds. Come on, come on. Here we go. 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, recover. 30 seconds. You guys, we're almost done. We're halfway there. Just give me a few more. Dig a little bit deeper. Find a little rage inside of your belly. Find that thing that keeps you pushing. Think about it. Get ready to push. 60 seconds. 4, 3, 2. Pick it up. Come on, we don't quit here. We go harder. Oh yeah. Starting to speed it up every single sprint. Every single push. 45 seconds. Come on. What are you working for? What are you running for? Let's go. 30 seconds. That's it. Come on. Pump, pump, pump. Give me 20 more. You're not tired. You're not giving up. You're stronger. Last 15. 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5.0, 7.0. Recover. 30 seconds. One more push, then we recover. Then we go into our grand slam finish line. 3 minutes, progressively getting faster. You guys ready? You ready? Progressively getting faster. After this, one more push. 3, 2, let's go. Come on. Give it to me. Come on. Keep running. These are the moments in our life that we push ourselves. We test ourselves to our limits. Why? Because we can. Why not? Come on. Give me 30 seconds more. Last 30. 7.0. 9.0. 20 seconds. Last 15. We're gonna take it back down. One last recovery moment before we go into those sprints. 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's go. Cool it down. 5.0, 7.0. So 3 minutes, but then I left out. There's a bonus round. Progressively getting faster for 3 minutes. We had on a 1 more minute at the end. Anything in your gas tank, you give it to yourself. You don't quit. You go harder. Set your intention. Set your goal. No giving up. Here we go. 3, 2, 6.0 to 8.0. 1 minute. 6.0, 8.0, 1 minute. Good. Every minute, at least 0.5. At least 0.5. Good. This is it. You can see the finish line right here. All you gotta do is run there. What's in your way? Just maybe you? Just your head? You got this. 30 seconds. Nothing's in your way. Get ready to take it up. 20 seconds. 0.5 on that speed. Give me 15 more. Here we go. 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Give it to me. 0.5. Come on. Push. Oh, see? We've already been here before. Our body already knows this pace. Not so bad. Focus on your breath here. Focus on your form. Good. 40 seconds. Go back up even more. 0.5 again. You got 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. That's it. Who in the world wants to give up on themselves after 2 minutes? So you get to choose. How do you want to leave this workout? You want to leave here happy because you gave it everything you got, or you want to leave here upset because you gave up on the last 2 minutes of class? You don't have to tell me. I already know the answer. Here we go. Up 0.5 in 4, 3, 2. Pick it up. Come on, come on. High knees, straight spine, strong core, super focused. This is gonna prepare yourself. For the last minute, 1 minute silence, you push as hard as you've ever pushed in your life, the fastest you've ever moved. Last 60 seconds. Keep going. 30 more seconds till we get there. I wanna feel it. Here we go. Give me 20 seconds. We pick it up one last time. Who's ready? Here we go. In 10, in 8, 6, 5, 4, 3. You're all out. Let's go, crew. Pick it up. Push, push, push. Come on. Almost there. Laser focus. Strong core. I want everybody. Push it up. 0.2 right now. Let's go. Come on. Last 30. Get ready. We got 20 seconds. We go down to our recovery. See if you can pick it up. One more. Pump it up, one more. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5.0, 7.0. 1 minute. Recover. Let your heart rate come back down. Woo! Round of applause, everybody. I know you all crushed it. I know you all finished. So it doesn't feel like you could run here forever. Whew. Remember, 3-minute warm-up. We did 8 minutes of HIIT. The last 4 minutes, we progressively speeded up. We pushed hard. So if you're not proud of yourself, I don't know what to tell you because I'm proud of you. Last 20, we walked for a minute. 2.5, 4.0. 15 more seconds. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2. Good, take it down. 2.5, 4.0. Walk it out. Dry off your face. My sweat likes to come right in my eyes, so it looks like I'm crying. I'm just sweating off all the stress and fat off the body. It comes out of the tears. The tears. Keep going. Again, what a way to work, guys. 15 minutes, everything you got. Not an easy workout. If it was easy, everybody would be here. Last 20. Again, I want to thank you guys for coming, sharing this time meeting me on your tread. My name is Rachael. I was your coach today. Ibex Running. You got this. You want to do it all over again? Just stop it, drag it, replay. Give me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slow it down. Inhale those arms up. Clap it all the way down. You guys killed it today. Thank you for coming. See you next time.